I spent weeks studying for it. I memorized the prompt engineering rules, the ethical guidelines, and the specific syntax. And when that congratulations screen finally popped up, I felt a massive rush of accomplishment. But 2 days later, I was back in my IDE, staring at a complex legacy code base, and I realized something. The certification was only the beginning. We are living in an era where everyone is chasing badges. We think that if we collect enough certifications, we become valuable. But I'm here to tell you that in 2026, an AI certificate is not the destination. It's just a foundation. If you don't know how to weave these tools into your messy, real-world daily task, that certification can feel like a false sense of security. Today, we are debugging the reality of AI certifications. I am going to show you why you need to go beyond the badge if you actually want to ship code. If you are tired of hype and want to know how to actually use these tools, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into the source code. The problem with the certification process is that it's sanitized. It's a controlled environment. But let's be real. When have you ever had a clean prompt engineering scenario in your actual job? Never. You have dependencies that don't match. You have outdated documentation. You have bugs that have not been touched in 3 years. My certification taught me how to generate a boilerplate function. My daily work taught me how to ask the AI to refactor code that it did not even understand at first glance. If you are not using Copilot to solve your specific constraints, you are not using the tool. You are just using a glorified autocomplete. You are the architect. The AI is just the draft person. If you don't know the architecture, it does not matter how fast the draft person is. Here's the mistake most people make. They treat AI as an oracle. They ask, write me a script for X. And when it breaks, they give up. A senior developer does not ask an oracle. They treat the AI like a junior dev they are mentoring. You break the task into tiny segments. You verify every single line. If you are finding this no-nonsense breakdown helpful, please hit that like button. It tells the algorithm that this community wants more practical real-world talk and less hype. And if you have not subscribed yet, why not? Join us. We are here to help each other actually get better, not just look better on paper. Stop asking for certificates and start building a proof of work. Find one task you do every single morning. Maybe it's checking logs. Maybe it's standardizing your folder structures. Maybe it's writing test cases. Use your Copilot skills to automate that one task. Document the before and after. This is your real certification. In an interview, I would take someone who showed me a process they optimized over someone with 5 AI Pro badges any day. Your badge shows you learned. Your project shows you executed. In 2026, execution is the only currency that matters. The certification is a bonus. It's a nice thing to have on profile. But please, don't let it become a crutch. Don't let it fool you into thinking you have reached the destination. The destination is being a developer who can handle complexity with or without an AI assistant. Thank you for hanging out in the channel with me today. If you enjoyed this reality check, let me know in the comments. What is the one task you are going to try to optimize this week? I want to see your goals. And if you want to keep debugging your career path with us, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We are just getting started. Stay curious, stay practical, and I will see you in the next one.